stone. Talk to throw a bone. For a while, I'm sleeping like a babe. The curiosity of a Cadillac, you see. So leave me stranded on the carpet, head under the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night. You made a joke about the haircut, aiming at foreign lane, made her cry. The look's been changing and it's so well.